Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you should know the answer to this math problem. You should know the mixed number answer to this math problem. Now, I'm not going to give you the answer X and Y in this video. I want you to figure that out by using the improper fraction answer that I'll be giving you using PEMDAS to solve this math problem. Now, PEMDAS is saying, hey, what is 9 times 2? 18, good job. And I'll bring the 5 minus down, divided by 5. And now looking back at PEMDAS, PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to divide first. So what is 18 divided by 5? I don't know. So I'll just write it in a fraction form, 18 over 5. Let me write that 5 a little bit better. There we go. And let me bring the minus sign down, and I'll bring the 5 down, but in a fraction form. 5 over 1 equals 5, does not change the 5. And now I'm going to erase this part that we don't need for space. And notice that we're subtracting two fractions with different denominators, so we're going to use a different color to draw the wings and the antenna and the body. Let me see what color this is. Blue. Let me use a different color because the last video, I used blue. Let's see, I'll use this color. What color this is? Yeah, I'll use that color. Okay, now 5 times 5, and that's the wing, and here's the antenna. 5 times 5 is 25. Good job. That's a 25. And 1 times 18, so here's the other wing and the antenna. So 1 times 18 is 18. And then the body, 1 times 5 is 5. So our new denominator is 5. And now we subtract 25 minus 18. So let's do simple subtraction here. So 25 minus 18. So we do this. This becomes 15. $15. Is it? Where did I get that 15 from? Oh, yes. Wow. 15, yes, 15. $15 minus, if you spend 8, you have how many? $7. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So remember, don't leave yet because you need to figure out what is X and Y. I'm giving you the improper fraction answer. So it's 7 over 5. So let me write that on the other side of the board and draw the long division symbol over here. So that's the long division symbol. So the answer in a improper fraction form is 7 over 5. And that cannot be simplified further. This is it as an improper fraction answer. And you're going to write the 7 inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And then the divisor is the 5. And well, you can't write the answer on my board, so I need you to put those answers in the comment section down below. What is X and what is Y? Using long division, using this improper fraction answer. And for fun, just give me the decimal answer using long division. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support and also to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, I am uploading 15 videos before midnight, and make sure you hit that like button on every single video that I upload to help me beat the clock. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And here is a happy face. Bye. See you in the next video.